How to fix Verizon 5G home internet red light. First, restart the gateway. Unplug the gateway's power cable, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait up to 5 minutes for it to finish starting. Second, move the gateway. This is the most important fix for a solid red light. Move it near a window, preferably near an exterior facing wall, off the floor, and away from walls or large obstacles that could obstruct the signal. Verizon specifically recommends an elevated location near a window and says a red light means you should try another location. If you have a Verizon 5G home plan, open the My Verizon app, go to your home internet gateway, and use the 5G compass to find the location with the strongest signal. Verizon says the compass points you toward nearby 5G antennas and helps find the best place in your home for the gateway. Fourth, if it's still red, try another window or location, and give the gateway a few minutes to establish the connection. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.